This is a very important life in the UK practice test for 2026. Make sure you focus on every question carefully, because these are commonly asked in the real exam. Question number 1. Listen carefully and choose the best answer. Which document established the principle that the monarch must follow the law in England? Here are the options. A. Magna Carta. B. Bill of Rights. C. Act of Settlement. D. Petition of Right. Correct answer, A. The Magna Carta, 1215, limited the power of the monarch and established that the king must follow the law. Let's move to the next question. Which part of the UK has its own legal system separate from England and Wales? Let's look at the options. A. Northern Ireland. B. Scotland. C. Wales. D. Isle of Man. Correct answer, B. Scotland has its own legal system, which is different from England and Wales. Now, pay attention to this question. Question number 3. What is the role of the Speaker of the House of Commons? These are the options. A. Lead the government. B. Represent the monarch. C. Maintain order during debates. D. Appoint judges. Correct answer, C. The Speaker ensures debates are conducted fairly and maintains order. Great start. Now let's move to the next level, stay focused. Question number 4. Let's continue. Which war was fought between England and France over claims to the French throne? Here are your options. A. War of the Roses. B. English Civil War. C. 100 Years' War. D. Napoleonic Wars. Correct answer, C. The 100 Years' War was a long conflict between England and France over territory and power. Here's another important question. Question number 5. What is the minimum voting age in the UK for general elections? Take a look at the options. A. 16. B. 17. C. 18. D. 21. Correct answer, C. Citizens must be at least 18 to vote in UK general elections. Pay close attention to this one. Question number 6. Which UK institution is responsible for making laws? The options are A. The monarch alone. B. The Supreme Court. C. Parliament. D. The Prime Minister only. Correct answer, C. Parliament, including the House of Commons and House of Lords, makes laws. Excellent. You're doing great, keep going. Question number 7. Let's continue. Which event marked the restoration of the monarchy in 1660? Options. A. The Glorious Revolution. B. The Restoration. C. The Reformation. D. The Industrial Revolution. Correct answer, B. The Restoration refers to the return of Charles II to the throne. Moving ahead. Question number 8. What is the main responsibility of local councils in the UK? Options. A. Foreign policy. B. National defence. C. Providing local services. D. Printing currency. Correct answer, C. Local councils provide services like education, housing, and waste management. Question number 9. Stay focused. Which flower is associated with England? Options. A. Thistle. B. Daffodil. C. Shamrock. D. Tudor rose. Correct answer, D. The Tudor rose is England's national symbol. Great progress. Let's move forward. Question number 10. Who is the head of the UK government? Options: A. The monarch. B. The Speaker. C. The Prime Minister. D. The Chief Justice. Correct answer: C. The Prime Minister leads the government. Question number 11. Let's continue. Which UK country uses the dragon as its symbol? Options: A. Scotland. B. Northern Ireland. C. Wales. D. England. Correct answer: C. Wales is represented by the red dragon. Question number 12. Pay attention. Which is a responsibility of a UK citizen? Options: A. Ignoring the law. B. Respecting the rights of others. C. Avoiding jury service. D. Refusing to pay taxes. Correct answer: B. Citizens must respect laws and others' rights. You're doing great so far. Now let's move into slightly more challenging questions. Stay fully focused. Question number 13. Let's continue. What is the highest court in the United Kingdom? Here are the options. A. Crown Court. B. Court of Appeal. C. High Court. D. Supreme Court. Correct answer: D. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the UK for both civil and criminal cases. Question number 14. Moving forward. Which group invaded and settled in Britain after the Romans left? Take a look at the options. A. Vikings. B. Anglo-Saxons. C. Normans. D. Celts. Correct answer: B. After the Romans left, the Anglo-Saxons settled in Britain and shaped early English culture. Question number 15. Pay close attention to this one. What is the role of the House of Lords? The options are: A. Elect the Prime Minister. B. Review and suggest changes to laws. C. Control the army. D. Collect taxes. Correct answer: B. The House of Lords reviews legislation and suggests changes before laws are finalized. Excellent work. You're halfway through, keep your focus strong. Question number 16. Let's move ahead. Which UK country is known for the thistle as its national emblem? Options: A. England. B. Wales. C. Scotland. D. Northern Ireland. Correct answer: C. The thistle is the national symbol of Scotland. Next question. Which document limited the powers of the monarch in 1689? Options: A. Magna Carta. B. Bill of Rights. C. Act of Union. D. Reform Act. Correct answer: B. The Bill of Rights, 1689, increased Parliament's authority over the monarchy. Question number 18. Stay with me. Who is the patron saint of England? Options: A. St. Andrew. B. St. David. C. St. Patrick. D. St. George. Correct answer: D. St. George is the patron saint of England. Great job. Now let's finish strong, the final section is just ahead. Question number 19. Let's continue. What is the main role of the police in the UK? Options: A. Make laws. B. Collect taxes. C. Enforce the law and protect the public. D. Run elections. Correct answer: C. Police maintain law and order and ensure public safety. Question number 20. Moving on. Which voting system is used for UK general elections? Options: A. Proportional representation. B. First past the post. C. Ranked choice. D. Two-round system. Correct answer: B. The UK uses the first past the post system, where the candidate with the most votes wins. Question number 21. Keep going. Which of the following is a key principle of British values? Options: A. Ignoring traditions. B. Individual liberty. C. Absolute monarchy. D. Restricted speech. Correct answer: B. Individual liberty is a core British value along with democracy and rule of law. Almost there. Stay focused, these last questions matter. Question number 22. Let's move ahead. Which UK country has Cardiff as its capital? Options: A. Scotland. B. Northern Ireland. C. Wales. D. England. Correct answer: C. Cardiff is the capital city of Wales. Question number 23. Which event led to the execution of King Charles I? Options: A. Glorious Revolution. B. English Civil War. C. Industrial Revolution. D. Norman Conquest. Correct answer: B. King Charles I was executed after the English Civil War. Question number 24. Stay sharp. Which organisation broadcasts public service media in the UK? Options: A. ITV. B. Channel 4. C. BBC. D. Sky. Correct answer: C. The BBC is the UK's public service broadcaster. Question number 25. Final question, give it your best. Which right allows UK citizens to challenge government decisions legally? Options: A. Freedom of speech. B. Jury service. C. Judicial review. D. Voting rights. Correct answer: C. Judicial review allows courts to examine government decisions. You've completed this practice test. If you answered most questions correctly, you're on the right track to passing your life in the UK test. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and don't forget to review your weak areas. You've got this.